This is going to be today's video review for Tuesday, October the 27th, 2015 for Drummond Energy Bands. Please read our trading disclaimer. So today our trader again is up early using the VEA method in the December CL contract. You'll notice on our left chart, this is our focus chart that we use to trade the CL with. You'll notice that price flushes down here, and you'll notice our white dotted line hooking up. And if you're just joining us, when this white dotted line hooks up, we draw a valley of support, just like, for example, when this white dotted line hooks down, we would draw a crest of resistance. So this projects into the future a line of support or resistance that we rely on. So in this case, what is happening is price is flushing down lower and it returns back to the mid here in our block. So this would be an opportunity right here for our trader to get short. You can see on the right chart I placed a down pink arrow here, and on the red brick our trader would be short from what we call a power mid trade back to this white dotted line, which is actually this solid white line on the left chart. The job of that block is to continue the trend and flush price lower. In other words, do this. But as you can see, what takes place is our valley of support and our lower energy band here from our higher chart in green is starting to hold. Our trade chart on the right has a valley of support, and its job is to continue the trend lower by showing us this lower yellow and lower green energy band breaks. In other words, price flushes lower. But what you're seeing is what is known as brick momentum, where our bricks go equal to, the bottoms of the bricks go equal to higher. So in this area here, you're seeing some accumulation at this valley of support. So this is indicating that this solid white midline is not pushing down. This valley, this lower energy band in green is holding, and our target is this upper pink energy band, which comes in at approximately 43.60, we'll say 43.60-63. So when our trader gets long down here and exits his short position, he knows that he's got a higher target, and as price goes up into that 43.60 area, he's starting to recognize the push up is starting to lose its ability to pop prices higher. You'll notice this white dotted line that I'm pointing to here. I'm drawing it on the right chart here as a white dash line at 43.65. Now, as price pops higher and pulls back, price is associating with this energy, and this is what we would call a power mid setup. And as price pulls back, you'll notice it pulls back into its block. Now, the block job is to continue the trend higher here. So as price pulls back down, it's supposed to drive price higher. Of course it doesn't, and you'll notice that this 43.65, the white dotted midline on the left, is pushing down, and our trader goes short. And this is not only confirming the midline on the left chart, which is the higher midline, but it's confirming this smaller white dotted midline here on our left chart drawn as a solid white midline. So you'll notice the push up is very weak. Our upper yellow stays down, and our trader is just salivating to go short. You'll notice that as he goes short, he monitors this upper yellow for no bricks going higher than the upper yellow and can stay short through all of this chop down further. If you'd like to know more about visual energy analysis and how that can be applied to your instrument of choice, send us an email at jb@drummondenergybands.com. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you.